Sometimes, you may have created your own Instagram AI chat. In that Instagram AI chat, you can set who can see your Instagram AI. In this video, we'll be telling you how to set that. For this, open the Instagram application. After that, down here, you can see your message button. Click on this message button. When you're clicking on that, above, you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see AI chats. Click on chats. When you're clicking on that, here you can see your AIs. Under that, you can see every AI chat that you have created. From this, select the AI chat of which you want to change settings. For example, I'm selecting this chat. After that, above, you can see the settings option. Click on settings. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the audience option. Click on audience, and here you can see who can see your AI. Under that, you can see some options. By default, it will be set to everyone. That means everyone can see your chat. But if you want only your close friends to see that, you can select close friends. And if you want to add anyone to the close friends list or remove anyone, click on add people. When you're clicking on that, from here, you can add anyone to your close friends list. For example, I'm selecting this person and click on this done button. Or if you want to select only me, you can select that. So, if you're selecting only me, only you can see that. Anyway, for example, I'm selecting close friends. After that, click on this done button. Now, here you can see the publish option. But if you're selecting only me, you can see the unpublished option. Anyway, click on publish or unpublished. When you're clicking on that, those settings will be saved. So, this way, you can easily set who can see your Instagram AI. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.